Hello po, online world! Ayan po. Dulot ng bagyo. It's so lakas ng rain, heavy rain. So, ayan. Flex ko lang po. Ingat po tayong lahat. Sapagkat napakalakas ng rain. So, hindi kayo makago up sa recraft because it's so slippery there. And then, we don't have umbrella to take a look the river if it's going higher and higher. But earlier, we checked it. It's chocolate water. The river is chocolate water flowing there. So, that's all. Ingat po tayong lahat.
Sira na yung ilog, kaya sabi ko, sira na.
Yeah, nasira na yung detour because of the heavy rain. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.